active fire, burned area and their relationship with the Global Fire Weather Index database components in Guinea. By Mamadou Bello Barry, Dora Badiane, Saidu Mostafa Sall, Moisa Diakte and Habib Senghor. The estimation of the danger of fire is a way to quantify the potential or capacity of a fire to start, spread and cause damage. The relationships between the Canadian Fire Weather Index (FWI) system components and the monthly burned area, as well as the number of active fire, which has taken from moderate resolution imaging spectroradiometer (MODIS) Aquatara, were investigated in 1930 to Guinean stations between 2003 and 2013. A statistical analysis based on a multilinear regression model was used to estimate the skills of FWI components on the predictability of burned area and active fire. The goal of the detection algorithm is to identify fire pixels that contain one or more active burning fires at the time of the satellite overpass. This statistical analysis gave performances explaining between 16 to 79% of the variance for the burned areas and between 29 and 82% of the variance for the number of fires, P less than 0.0001, at lag 0. Respectively 16 to 79% and 29 to 82% of the variance of the burned areas and variance for the number of fires, P less than 0.0001, at lag 0 can be explained based on the same statistical analysis. All the combinations used gave significant performances to predict the burned areas and active fire on the monthly time scale in all stations excepted Fraya and Yomo, where the predictability of the burned areas was not obvious. We obtained a significant correlation between the average over all of the stations of burned areas, active fires, and FWI composites with percentage of variance between 75 to 84% and 29 to 77% for active fires and burned areas at lag 0 respectively. While for burned area peak, January, the skill of the predictability remains significant only 1 month in advance. For the active fires, the model remains skillful 1 to 3 months in advance. The results show strong performances of the linear model in the sites with a homogeneous distribution of the vegetation cover, like the case of the regions of Upper Guinea, where one finds vast expanses of savanna. Results also showed that active fires are more related to fire behavior indices, while the burned areas are related to the fine fuel moisture codes. These outcomes have implications for seasonal forecasting of active fire events and burned areas based on FWI components, as significant predictability is found from 1 to 3 months and 1 month before respectively. These results also open up perspectives on the possibility of using forecasting models to project future and past events in order to better understand the long-term effects of bushfire on ecosystems, biodiversity, and on the pollution of the environment. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.